Hey guys, today I have a quick review and unboxing of the SDFM X15 electric air duster. So there is a ton of these portable air dusters on Amazon. Literally, I've reviewed tens of them at this point, but one of them holds the most feet per minute that I've seen out of any of them, and that was the Wolfbox. So today we are going to test out this one and see if it can beat the roughly 3,500 feet per minute that the Wolfbox was able to get. So let's quickly do an unboxing here and see kind of what comes in this package. And I'm interested to see what the trigger mechanism is, because all of them tend to have different trigger mechanisms, and some are good and some are bad. So here is the main unit. Got a nice black and gray look to it. Trigger right here, power button and or speed right here, and your typical metal kind of propeller design. And then you can put on different caps right here on the front. I will say that this is a pretty robust snap-on. That is actually better than the Wolfbox, no doubt about it. So, all right, let's see if we can turn this thing on. 3 batteries there. Now this, oh, you get a little blue light in there. That's crazy. So it's just a hold trigger. Basically, you hold it and it goes while you're holding it, and you can change the speeds back here. So let's see what kind of feet per minute we're working with here, guys. All right, that got up to 3250, which I believe is in second place out of everything I've tested. Let me go ahead and charge this up to full and see if that kind of makes a difference here. This is USB-C. And as soon as you plug it in, it turns off and starts charging with that indicator. So it looks like we were already at 75%, but maybe we can get slightly higher speed if we charge it to full. Now, while that's full, if you found this review helpful, maybe hit that subscribe button. I'm primarily a search-based channel, so I don't get that many subscribers. It really helps when people subscribe, even if you don't even plan on watching my review videos. It still helps me out, so thank you. Let's keep going. All right, well, that is charging. We do have a couple other things to unbox in here. Got a power cable, USB-A to USB-C, and then it looks like 2 more nozzle options. Now, I will say, if that's all the nozzles that comes with it, I'm actually okay with that. Most of the time, they come with way too many nozzles, though I do wish one had a bit of a finer point. All 3 of them kind of come down to the same point size. And look, it looks like there is a couple more. So that's not bad, kind of a vacuum nozzle. A bag, you love to see that, to keep all this in. And I thought there was something else in there, but nope. So power brick, never bad to have one of those. And one more thing in this bag here, a whole set of brushes. So the purpose of these is to kind of brush the stuff loose in your cup holder while you're blowing it with this out, and the combo of that brush and blow will get any of that kind of stuck dust out of there. So nice to see. The one downside here, I still wish we had a finer point option of one of these, but not too shabby. All right, let's do our final blow test here. This is fully charged now. Turn it on, high speed, default nozzle. I don't know if you all saw that, but that got all the way up to 3,800. So this is actually faster than the Wolfbox X5. I will leave a link to all my other reviews up here. Check them out.